is the land of God, given to his children for their eternal habitation. We may have failed in the past to recognize this very fact, but now that this generation has come, there is nothing anybody can do to stop us from restoring the kingdom of God upon the face of this very earth in the land of God, without apologies to anyone. At all, you see, the land of Biafra must be defended at all costs. At all costs, it is the land of God, given to his children for their eternal habitation. We may have failed in the past to recognize this very fact, but now that this generation has come, there is nothing anybody can do to stop us from restoring the kingdom of God upon the face of this very earth in the land of Biafra, without apologies to anyone.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you. Depends where you are getting our videos from. So today's video is going to be because of some of our people. Why I'm saying this, some of our people who is working with the Southeast governors, then killing their own, helping them to be killing their own brothers and sisters. That is aiding the terrorist government Nigeria, Fulani herdsmen, all of them that is killing our people because of, I know that these people don't know what we are fighting for. Because of if these Igbo brothers, these our young youths, Igbo young youths, that is working with all these their oppressors, governors, knows what we are fighting for, that what we are fighting for is to restore our lost sovereign state, which is the United States of Biafra, to restore the state of Biafra back, so that you can have what we call dignity as a human being. You can be recognized as a human being. Listen here, let me show you a general. You people know what is happening in Congo, right? So let's hear from the general himself that fight all this fight for our people that doesn't know why we are doing this. These people have been fighting for years, for decades. But do you know what is the key? Consistency is the key. Once you know what you are fighting for, is what volunteering lives and the property for. Is if you know exactly that what you are fighting for is something that you want to be fight for. This is the message for you. Listen to the general.
So long, every resistance we are fighting, we are fighting.
Now, you people listen. I will not interrupt the video. I will leave the video to roll. After the video, I will now have my comment to the people I want to send this message to.
For the noble reason, and we have the reason to fight. The reason is that we don't have a country. There's a risk that if we lose the country, we are fighting for Congo people, and our cause is for Congo people. We want Congolese people, refugees, to come down, to come home, back home. We want Congolese to have food, like you in your country, you do. We need Congolese children to go to school and go to school. We need to have health care and so on. You in your country, you have roads. In my country, once you reach the border, no road anymore. So are we going to continue like this? No state, failure of state, we will be in danger, even against you guys. So this is what we are to create.
Sorry, let me pause it there. When he said that failure of a state, that even you guys, we have the part of it. I am coming. I am coming. Let's continue because the people I want to drop this message for is this Igbo youth. These young guys who have made themselves as an willing tools to the governors, to the elite, to the Nigerian terrorist state. This message is going for you. Even you will not be spared. You are dealing with what they call a failed state. You will not be spared. Listen here. Keep going, General.
And to give good life. Living together between communities. No exclusion, no discriminations. Those are the things that are pushed up to fight and sacrifices. Thank you for being true to the cause of.
You hear what the general said? He said, let's continue, let's start. He said there is no good road, that if you are coming from other countries, when you come to Congo, there is no good road, no good hospital, no good environment, nothing that you will be proud for. That what they are fighting for is to give the Congolese people good life and they return them back to their ancestral land, the people who is in what they call IDP. How can you be in your country, you are going to IDP, your own country? No, when they call it IDP, people doesn't know. It's refugees camp in your own country. And these are the government is supporting this kind of evil. The same thing, I want the people who is fighting against this cause, especially this Igbo youth. There is group they have bring out now. This ones, they say that, oh, anyana ha agbakwa egbe no bukwa mma. Ana agbakwa ụgbọ adani ndị anji obejiri ha nji apụrọkwa small one. Ewere mma na egbu nwanne ha nwoke la ahụ. Na say wete your pin number, wete your phone pin number. And they are proud doing that to their own blood, their own brothers. But did you hear what General says fighting? The same thing that these your brothers, the governor have paid you, Nigeria terrorist state have give you money to be fighting your own brothers, your own flesh. You think that you, after cutting your own brothers with a knife, that you'll be saved? I pity you, I'm sorry for you. Because of you don't know what you are doing. You a fool. I see the other one. If I not those ones when they called, no kind of, these are the things that your governors are bringing. He will not. Hanji don't mad. He will accord. Could you check or kunin no banana? Oh, and they call so different types of arms carriers. These governors, politicians, everybody. This is to tell you what that the country have fed and they have fed to, and you. The Igbo youth, especially all these people sabotaging this movement, this Igbo youth that is sabotaging this movement, na tuaka, na bama. What are waiting for you is what this man told you. Once a state has been a failed state, that is not, you yourself, you will not be spared. Mbaho governor na rora abafone. Modu lucky. The target are gonna because anyone not here, we are waiting for them. In Kabo, if you see what I see with what I have here in my phone, if it's not because of the YouTube, I would have shown you what we have here on this phone. In the church, I'm warning people who is going to church. You people have to be careful, be very, very careful. All youth in all communities, listen and listen carefully. You people have to defend yourselves, defend your land. You see something strange, you say something. In the church yesterday on Sunday, I made the mother slaughtered. Due to restriction. Many things are happening there you people didn't know. And this your governors, these your religious leaders, all these guys that you people believe on have warned the medias to not report all these atrocities they are committing. Have you seen Peter Obi say anything? They massacred people yesterday in the church. Ozu tobo ebeninu, ozu ju ebeninu, were akwukwo plantain tobo sha hanenu. Go to a where they are calling in a harmful now. Everybody are bafusiene there. Fulani terrorists and the Nigerian military terrorists gang together now. They have disappeared. Only one idiot, Anna Ochede. That is where he come from. That is Hamufu, who was telling Simon Ekpa that you're mad. Your madness will soon end. Okay, as you said, it is madness at end, but your village now is taking over. Go to your village and make video and bring out that idiot called Chade. These are the set of deceivers you have, and these are, I'm very sorry to our people who is supporting, who is hoping on these people, on these failed people. Once the state called Nigeria is a failed state, the governors, all of them are all the same because of they are enablers. These guys are a bunch of criminals. They don't want you alive. They don't want you living. The earlier the youth, all these boys, they are carrying guns and bullets and giving. I am warning you, if you see what is going on, if because of the restrictions on the internet, I will have shown you people who is going to church, all the people about the next target. Very, very, very careful. Very, very, very careful. Also, you know, but the people who now sabotage this movement, you will not even be free. The people now go, hey, I want to Simon Ekpa, I want to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. O say tiedine. Our people say Eguro na hraho, Amaze who is who. He have said the thing have come. They have brought it to your doorstep. Look at what happened yesterday. Peter Obi, did you see Peter Obi saying something? All these people are the people you are going to do campaign for 2027 election. Bunch of criminals. You trust your life in their hand. You make wakamna. Jukene siya kedebo me anno. Opo chano me ade. Na no zide no do kosa. Ene wakamna ya meba na plane ya. Bapo. As in every day bunkonyo hi. One day bunkonye nwulo. Onwere ike mbosi ahụ plan ya bụrụ yonwere yosu na ka o meba na flight onwere ike ruo that day. That flight itself you gaha mata nze ebe ono. Yambuna, what happens yesterday in the church? Yambuna, this thing will somewhere in the north all happen. If this thing happens somewhere, you will see people be ranting in the whole television station. He will run to CNN, channel television, run to Arise television, saying, "Oh, I condemn this with the total condemn with the condemn iron." But now, anytime things happens in Igbo land, I want to ask you people, these fools that is trusting on these governors and the leaders, tell me how many times have something happened in the Igbo land, these people will come out and say something, and not only to say something, but to do something about it. Just tell me one. Governor is giving you 2,000 or 3,000. In a buriyema, in a koreoto, in a babusiri your own blood and your own flesh. You see, need normal. You think that you are okay, you are normal. After that guy, hi, that thing Ekpa didi. Ona get bad onwe mmiri with machine yawo. Na ga pado onwe with oyiho kwa. This guy say with a bullet to banana. And I said, hey, you carry it okwa. Only one was speaking Igbo, they said, Brafia, kill you there. That idiot. Okay, Jan Azeremiri. Those guys that killed that guy, Hage Jan Azeremiri. Then Hage Jan Azeremiri. Okay, for those guys that is destroying lives. Nenechen undu ndi Igbo. Nenechen undu innocent men and women. Na ona hamonike. My promise to Ndanine, unge Jan Azeremiri. I asking everybody, as you are watching this our channel, please do us a favor. Go to subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, drop comment, share our video. Because of as we are doing this, you are helping us to come to our program to be going more further and for more people to watch it. Because of this period where we are now, we need awareness. The power, information is power. That is why we are here for you people. We are here. You see something, drop the video to us. Drop video. Go to our comment section. Drop your comment there and tell us what you have. We will send you our contact. You send us videos that you have. We have a lot of videos. You see something that is going on, say something. Don't keep quiet. These guys are there doing all these things with the government. Oh, and man, look at what is happening in the Hamofo. Nobody says something. Both your governors, senators, everybody are fine, sitting down, relaxing, enjoying themselves, like nothing is happening. Agana church total life umokorobia. Ozutobo ebe niile. Ife anyị na-emechere yesterday. Also the youth on one side now help these governors, help these their senators, all these people then call their leaders, helping them, bringing costs upon themselves. Umazia na ibuma na akwodo na agba egbe agbabusi umunne si nu na achọ ndị na-eme agitation for. We are not agitating for nothing. We are not agitating for no. What we are asking for to restore our lost sovereign state, United States of Biafra. Nobody is agitating. This is what we have it. If you don't know, this is what we are asked for. To restoration of our sovereign state. These governors, your senators, all of them, your leaders, they swear. Na haka ha adondo fuka ndi Igbo ki forma mbiara ndi Igbo na obuna so hawa. Nda all these sabos nda all these things, all this nonsense going on. Do you think that nda finish you now? Ha say okay, again why Igbo sabo, you a good man. Onye ndede nwanne obuzo another person can oga you. Gain what but their target more. Let them use as a willing tools and do all their dirty game. Gain what they will do to you. Your own self will be worst. I am warning these Igbo youths working with governors, sabotaging their own brothers and sisters who is defending their land. Oh supene, oh subirine. It will not be able to teach all these people that we help. Because of when I look at these people, I say that you guys, Igbo, unu bụ ife nne unu si n'aka, o si anyị n'aka na o si anyị n'aka, ihe nne anyị si anyị n'aka, onye ata na chukwu ụta. Ife nne unu si anyị n'aka, ife nne anyị ma ndị Igbo si anyị n'aka. Ndị a bụ a problem. They are happy. Unu na obi aṅụrị na-akpa these people, seeing your own flesh, your own blood. Ana anapụ ha ndụ n'ike. Na anashishi ndị Igbo, young youths, obife ha na anashishi ndụ n'ike. If I be planned, muna agba these guys carrying gun. Do not careful. Our people who is fighting for honest truths, who is defending the land of God. The land of Biafra is the land of God that God have given to his children. This land that God have ordained to us, the people fighting for this land with honest and truth. Alkwere anyị tata bụ na anya ndị iro ebe ọbụla isoro gị nọrọ, anya ndị iro agaghị efu. Ha agaghị efu unu. Ebe ọbụla nọ, anya ndị iro agaghị efu. Ghana comment section kwere m ise. Ha agaghị efu unu n'ụtụtụ, agaghị efu unu n'abalị, ha agaghị efu unu n'ehihie. Atụmatụ ha niile ga-ejekwu ha, jekwu ife nna gara ha ozi. Na ọbịa kwa ekpere m ebe m na-asị m onye eluigwe Chukwu nna kpuchite unu ndị ke na-arụ ọrụ wite eziokwu na eziokwu Chineke. Asị m Chineke onye eluigwe ya kpuchite unu, gọzie unu, chebe unu, nye unu ikikere na n'elu ikikere. Na ọbịa kwa ekpere m na-ekpere unu mbọchị tata. You know, from me, from here is good afternoon. Please, brothers and sisters, anywhere you are getting these videos from, please do us a favor. Go to subscribe section, subscribe to this channel, drop your comment, share our video. Anything that you see, give us information. Our job here is to propagate that information, to bring it out there so that people can see what is going on. There is nothing more, nothing less. From me, from here is good afternoon.